Welcome to Vacation Tracker for Microsoft Teams. In this video, we'll show you how to submit a leave request. There are 3 ways to request leave within Vacation Tracker: through the bot, our online dashboard, and Microsoft Teams tabs. Let's start with the Vacation Tracker dashboard, which is accessed by going to app.vacationtracker.io. To submit a leave request, select the leave type you wish to take. Next, choose the start and end date for your leave request. Type a reason if necessary and click Request Leave. This form is used if your request needs to be approved by someone other than yourself. If you are an approver, you can also add leaves for your department members by using the Add Leave form on the left-hand side. To add leave for another user or add leave for yourself that does not require approval, use this form. First, select the user. Let's take Lydia. Next, select the leave type. Choose the start and end date. Type a reason if necessary and click Add Leave. And that's it. You've successfully added leave for Lydia. Please keep in mind, you must be an approver of the department the user is part of in order to add leave for the user. Now let's head on over to your Microsoft Teams account and request leave through the Vacation Tracker bot. The bot is activated by starting a chat with Vacation Tracker. To request leave through the bot, type Request Leave. Click Enter, and the leave request form will appear in the chat, letting you choose the leave type you wish to take. In the drop-down menu, select one of the options available for your location. We'll take working remotely. The available leave types are set by the administrator on the online dashboard, which you can learn more about in our demo. Select Next. In seconds, you'll see the rest of the information needed to submit a leave request. Choose the start date of your leave request. Let's select the 9th of December. And we'll choose the 10th of December as the end date of our leave request. Type a reason if necessary and click Submit. The approver of your team will be informed of the leave request right away. And we'll get a notification back as soon as the decision has been made. You can also request leave through the Microsoft Teams tab by clicking on the My Profile section in your chat with Vacation Tracker and filling out the necessary information. If you have some additional questions, check out our website, our Helpdesk, or reach out to us at any time at hello@vacationtracker.io. Thank you.